Right, put it back in. I'll just turn the light out so you can get the... So you can get it with a good flame coming up the glass. It looks nice. Not on camera, not as nice as it does to me, but nice. So it's got a little fan going on it, which looks nice. So it's up to temperature. I've had to go and put the pump on, circulating pump, because it went over 100 degrees and it was making a lot of funny noises. I thought I'd try and cool it down a little bit. The tank had gone down to about 90 Fahrenheit. Obviously the glass not finished. I didn't get the second window in, which is just as well. That's what we've got. I've made a choke plate, so if I open her up and show you inside, what I can do basically is just feed in some wood at the bottom, ram it in. Choke plate in. Perfect fit near enough. In fact, I'll show you what else I'll do as well, just to make it a bit hotter. If you get wood, chuck it in the top. You can see it does a pretty good job. This is the second chute it's used in about an hour, which is about a litre and a half, something like that. And the tank is now up to about 110 at the top, and it won't get a lot higher than that because it's circulating from the bottom because it's a twin coil tank. So obviously the bottom will be cooler than the top. So it'll take a bit of time, but which is what I want, because I want to cool it down a bit. We're up at 90 degrees centigrade, or just under 200 Fahrenheit, and it's returning. Oh yeah, it's coming back hot. That is hot. The flame's gone down a bit now. You've got to work it to make the flame stay. So I'll go upstairs, have a quick look at the tank, see what that's doing. I'm just going to tell you what this is because I can't be asked to focus on it. Yeah, it's up at 120 now. And that's it. 120 at the top. You can see the I'm not getting any help from the heater, it's not wired up. The twin coil doesn't actually work up when it's convecting, so you have to put the pump on to get the whole tank hot. I've had it up to about 165, but it's a bit pointless going any higher than that really, because it's just too hot, it'll take your skin off. Turn that off, that's my fill. I filled it, just to make sure it was alright. Non-return valve from the fill. And there's the pump chugging away nicely. Working. Yeah, that's hot. Go back down and have a look at another quick look at the fire, and then I'm going to call it a day at that. I ain't tidied up yet. That can wait till tomorrow. I ain't put the fastener on the door. That's not working yet. The air inlet from under the floor, if you put it on, it doesn't draw enough. So I need to have a rethink about that. I might need to pipe it straight out the wall, drill an hole in the wall, and pipe it straight out there. But even so, it's ticking over down here at a nice 90 centigrade-ish. So, as you can see, just looking at it that way, the fire's gone down. But as the tank gets hotter, it'll return hotter, so it'll kick it out hotter. So, you never know, I might do another one tonight. I might not. I might have a bottle of wine instead. Alright, cheers, bye.